I had a abscess tooth in the back, and it was well, it was also like cracked in half. Like it cracked in half, and it was abscess. My whole cheek was like swollen because the infection was so bad, and I couldn't chew on this side. I couldn't even eat a banana. Like it was, and everything would get stuck in there. It was bad. It was real bad, and so he pulled it for me, which to me seemed impossible because it was broken down so much. So he did it in no time. He even said that it might take like 45 minutes to wiggle it out little by little, but it took like 5 minutes. It seemed like I'm eating steak and shrimp and scallops like comfortably, and so now I'm just happy that I can eat. I love food so much. I didn't have dental insurance, and so that was just my main concern. I was in pain for like 3 days, 4 days, my face swelling, and I was just looking into what kind of dental insurance I can get in short notice, but nothing really kicks in fast enough as far as like you getting a discount and all that good stuff. That's when my girlfriend told me just talk to him. Like, just go in there and talk to him, let him know, because he's a really nice guy and he'll really work with you. He sat and listened to my situation and came up with a plan and really broke it down for me very well, and made me feel comfortable and confident that the money that I was spending was going towards something good. And so definitely no regrets.